Welcome back, guys. I've brought the Panda for its MOT. A bit dodgy, driving it around with no MOT, and there's a Rozzers there. I've done a little work to it. We put new brake discs and pads on all the way around. Cleaned up the paint on the wheels. We've cleaned all the lacquer off the side of the car, ready to re-lacquer it. So we've been doing a bit of work on the old gal. Give her a clean, but she's in for an MOT, so we'll see how she goes. Right, so the mighty Panda passed its MOT. Amazingly, well, say amazingly, I put new back brake discs and pads on it, and done pads on the front. Didn't need discs on the front. Tidied all up around the suspension and the ball joints and everywhere. I've even peeled all that shit lacquer off the sides, look, ready to re-lacquer it. I'll get the wheels a little spruce up. But yeah, she went through the MOT. We just had to clean all the headlights. To be fair, it would have passed. I reckon if the boy had just wiped the headlights over, it would have passed. But obviously the MOT testers, they're all about money nowadays. They don't want to help you out a little. But it went through and it just needed the headlights cleaning. So it weren't bad, were it? So yeah, 12 months ticket on her. We'll clean that lacquer up and we'll get her up for sale. Start looking for a pickup truck.